Well, my dear, it's rather clear those other homes you've seen were charming little stepping stones, but never quite the dream. Now homes like this don't come in two. Cotswold Downs has but a few, and if I'm reading all the signs, this one belongs to you. The kitchen gleams, the dining sings, each detail plays its part. A home with elegance in every room and warmth within its heart. A home of this distinction, dear, won't linger on the shelf. The finest things are claimed by those who recognize their wealth. Just take my hand, we'll make it grand, one signature will do. And when the final line is signed, your dream address comes